Most pellet traps are designed for .177 caliber pellets, you know, standard BB size. But we're going to see if this pellet trap can handle a .22 caliber Magnum break barrel rifle at 10 yards. So, shot number 2. Right in the same hole. I'm still shooting a little to the right. Yeah, let's make a little adjustment on the scope there for the windage. I'm shooting low for sure. This distance. Alright, so that's good for windage. Raise it up. That's good. Alright, on the X-ring, just inside the line. There's a little bit more elevation. A little too much there. Last three. Oops, last 3 rounds. That sounded louder or more resonating. Don't know if that's because it's on the hollow barrel, but then again, still not too bad in terms of noise. Alright, so let's go see where we're at. Okay, we definitely got some spall on the bottom here. Paint, looks like paint chips, some lead, nothing penetrating in the paper, and I don't see any outward holes, so nothing high velocity enough to bounce out. And let's look at the back of it, and the inside of this, and then we'll look at the back. So all the impacts are there, and of course, if you're shooting bullseye targets, you're going to be hitting the same spot over and over again, hopefully, if you're aiming for the bullseye. So it's something to consider, is you may want to pick up some targets that are distribute out your aiming point so that you're not always hitting the same spot. But that's something also from the manufacturer standpoint, they may want to consider reinforcing just the very center. But let's see how it looks like from the back. Do we get any deformations? None at all. None at all. I'm looking at it from an angle here. Nothing. So there you go. The Ideagle pellet trap really can handle heavy-duty use. If you're interested in picking up one of these, I'll include links to the product and more information in my blog article at moondogindustries.com. Thanks for watching. Moondog out.